all my exes. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around. You're gonna go ahead and start with your right foot, and you're gonna be stepping out, out, and in. Starting with your right foot, you go out, out, in. It's sort of like a V, out, out, in. Gonna go ahead and do a right vine, right behind, right. Tap, left vine, left behind, left tap. With your right foot, you're gonna go forward, step, brush with your left, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush. Right foot, you're gonna go ahead and do a jazz box. You're going to cross, recover back. You're gonna go ahead and do a quarter turn to the right and tap, and do the last one, jazz box, cross, back, step right, step left. Let me go ahead and do this with a count. Here we go, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you for watching.